So I've been looking online for different ways of removing the emblem, the Ford emblem on the 350 and 250 2017, 2018, 2019 tailgate. There's an emblem that comes here. I originally had painted it black, as you can see, just clear coat. I actually did a black shine and then a clear coat over top. But then I went ahead and I bought these things from a company. I'll give you the description below where I got them from. They just came in today, custom painted. It came black and white, as you can see. And I needed to re-put this on this tailgate. There's no videos out there that actually talk about this and how to accomplish this task. So what I had and did was, the first thing I did was I removed these screws here. There's 8 of them. Took off this panel to see what I could do in the back, see whether or not there's clips in the back. What I came to find out was that the emblem was so far in the middle portion of this tailgate that I couldn't reach my hand underneath because it looks like all this is just one piece. So what I did was I put this back together, closed it up, and decided to try to pry it off. As you can tell, this is the one that I just took off. You'll have 4 little feet, it actually looks like, with prongs inside. And these prongs actually clip on. So when you push on to the tailgate and push hard enough, these prongs will pop out and hold it secure to the tailgate. I didn't know that going in. So what I did was kind of screwed up here a little bit here, but I'll touch that paint up. But I masked a portion of this paint off here, took a regular flathead screwdriver, a regular towel just so I don't nick the paint as much, and then I got an empty spot, pried my screwdriver in there, and just tried to pry it off, and it actually popped right off fairly easy. Once that occurred, I popped it off, put the new one on, and I just literally, 4 prongs, you'll know where they actually go. I pushed it on really tight and snug, and it just snapped right in. Now, at the time, I already had this removed, so I just reached my hand back there and then pushed together just to make sure everything was snug, and it was snug. So that's how I was able to put this new Ford emblem on the tailgate of a Super Duty. It's 2017, 2018, and 2019. I believe it's a 250 and a 350. I have a 350 dually, so.